Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to enable or show pivot table editor in Google Sheets. So first we're going to open our Google Sheets. As you can see we have a pivot table here. So when you guys go and click on it, you're going to see the edit section by a tiny pencil button. Then when you click on it, it's going to show you the pivot table editor. But in case you guys erase it by clicking on the X button, you guys are not going to find the edit button. So you won't find the editor. So in case that happens, all you have to do is click on the right button. Then next you're going to click on show all controls. So as you can see, the editor is going to pop up again. So that's how you do it. It's a very simple step. Make sure to also check our other videos as we've been posting daily. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.